like me, you love Mexican food, but sometimes when you go out to a local restaurant, it's not always consistent and it's not always exactly what you're looking for. My name's Dean Etheridge with 360businessreviews.com, and one of the things that we do is we feature local businesses that we really like, and Zapata Mexican Restaurant here in the Hoover, Pelham area is just one of those places. It's one of the best Mexican restaurants and the most consistent that I've found here in the Birmingham area. So if you're looking for a great Mexican restaurant, I highly recommend Zapata. It's just at the corner of Valleydale and 31 in the Hoover Pelham area across from Publix. You'll love the place, alwajust get a great meal, always consistent, and I really think you'll enjoy it. So stop by today or give them a call at 205-733-1115 for takeout orders for catering service.